Hello guys, we're back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through the next question. Okay, so this question belongs to GATE CSC 1995 guys. The given question is consider the relational schema R of A comma B comma C with the following functional dependencies. Okay, so the functional dependencies point in between A, B and C. The functional dependencies say that A, B implies a C. From C we can imply A. So basically what is the key here guys? Okay, so now they are saying show that the schema R is in 3NF but not in BCNF. Okay, so let us check whether it is first of all in 3NF or not guys. Okay, yes. Okay, so AB implies a C and C implies a. So now C is available and A is available on the right hand side. So now B is the only mandatory item. So first let us solve a B's closure. So when we try to solve a B closure, we are going to get only B. Hence B is not our particular thing. So let us start making combinations. So AB and BC. So when it comes to AB, from AB, okay, I can get a C. So hence AB is a key. Similarly, when we work with the BC, I will write directly BC and from C I can find A. So indirectly AB and BC are the candidate keys. So any one of them among these two will become primary key, right? Yes. Okay. So now let us check. So indirectly, what are the variables here, guys? So what are prime attributes? So prime attributes are A, B and C. Non-prime attributes are nothing, right? Yes. Okay. So now let us check the question. So now they are saying it is not in BCNF. So let us cross check. So AB is a candidate key, but C is not a candidate key, but it is a part of key, right? Yes. Okay. So with that understanding, I think this particular statement is true till now, right? Yes. So now let us check whether this thing is in 3NF. So it here C implies A. So A is a prime attribute, right? Yes. So as it is a prime attribute, okay, I think we can conclude that this belongs to 3NF, right? Because part of a key to prime attribute. So that is the exact definition for 3NF. So I think the first statement is true. I think these are true or false statements. Let us assume in that way. And option D, the second part says that determine the minimal key of the relation. So the minimal key of the relation is what, guys? So it is nothing but this only, right? So the candidate key only they are asking. So AB comma BC. I think this is way long ago. So that's the reason it's a subjective question, guys. Okay. So now you understood, right? So yes, it is a 3NF and it is not a BCNF. And these are the keys, guys. So now you understood, right? So what exactly they have asked and how we have solved them. Okay. Yes. So now I hope everyone got a clear idea with respect to this question, right? Yes. Okay. So in the next lecture, let us continue with the next question. Okay. Yes. So let us meet in the next lecture. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Thank you.